What is up, everybody? It is your boy Noah, son of the barber, back with another video. And in today's video, I'm giving my dude a drop fade. So as you can see, I'm putting in my bald line and I'm dropping it towards the back. Shave and I balled out that bottom half. Here I grab my clipper all the way open and I'm going up about ½ an inch. I'm keeping that same shape throughout the whole guideline. By now, I'm pretty sure you guys already know how I get rid of that bottom line. I have the lever all the way closed and I bump up that line halfway. And in the next step, I show you how to get rid of it completely. Lever halfway and I bring up that guideline all the way up. That should completely remove it, but if not, play with your lever and use your corners to get rid of any dark spots you may see. Here guys, I'm using my same steps as I usually do, and the next step here is to grab the half guard all the way open and I go up about ½ an inch, keeping it consistent throughout the whole head. Keep in mind, you guys want to keep your guidelines the same shape as your first bald line. If you're doing a low fade, keep your guidelines low and in that same shape, but in my case, I'm doing that drop fade. So I'm dropping all my guidelines, keeping that same shape. Here with the half guard closed, I'm going right underneath what I just did with the half guard open to try to soften up and erase that line. So as you guys can see, that half guard close always leaves some weight behind. So I'm going back with the lever all the way open, using only my corners to erase any darkness I still see. And going back with this lever open, it should completely erase that bottom line. But if not, just continue to play with your lever and you'll get there. Here I have the number 1 guard open, and I'm going up about another ½ inch. Here guys, I closed the lever and I'm attacking that bottom line that I just created. Still left some weight behind, so I went back to my half guard closed and I'm using my corners to try to remove that line that's still visible. Here's my 1.5 guard open, and I'm going up about another ½ inch. same process. I've closed the lever now, and I'm trying to remove that bottom line that I just created. Here I have my 3-guard closed, and I'm going straight up against the head, flicking out that top bulk. Here I followed that 3-guard with the number 2 guard closed, and I'm flicking out that top bulk, but this time I'm not going as high as I went with the 3. Here I have my half guard halfway. I eventually close it, but I'm using my corners to just remove some of that bulk that's still left over from that 2. Here I'm just doing some detail work. I'm playing with the lever. I have the 1 guard open right now, and I'm just using the corners to clean up any imperfections that I still see. More detail work with the half guard closed, only using my corners so I don't bring that fade up. And here's some more detail work with the lever all the way open, using only my corners again. It is very important to always detail your work. When you're cutting hair, all those steps and all that's basically your rough draft. These are all your revisions and your editing. You guys need to maybe look away from the cut and always go back and edit your haircut. So yeah guys, that's pretty much the haircut. Hope you guys enjoyed it. I thought it came out pretty clean. If you're new, please hit that subscribe button, like, comment, share, all that, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.